YouTube, what is that's it. VRD 可以
We are live.
Samir is saying we are live.
Ready? 应该已经开始了。等一下。Hello. Yeah. 然后你那个去应该那个BtcDana这边的。我把右图的链接分给你。
Welcome guys. How are you all? We will be looking for the market trends in major currencies and index and mostly in metals. So let's start with it. For the pound, I'm looking for a bearish side, and you can see on my charts, I just missed my entry by around some pips here. This was supposed to be my entry at 1.26814, and I had a stop loss of around 2744, but it turned just short from there. So still I am bearish on it, and let's see if it breaks this low, and I will be planning another trade right now. Still expecting a downturn, a bearish trend continuing in here. Because 1.27 was my zone for the sell, it didn't touch it, it came all the way down without taking my entry. So still we are continuing on a bearish side, sorry. And we might see a slight reaction from here, and I think if it bounce up back from here until here somewhere to grab the liquidity and the stop losses of all the people already in the selling the market too early, then I think we should see a breakdown all the way. Let me see what you think about this trade. Do comment your trade ideas and what you recommend on this in this single pair. So now if we go to Euro USD now, Euro USD is behaving much better than GBP USD. So the main idea right now is to keep eyes on this zone. Let it come all the way up. Then I'll see some if it shows some reactions from here in this area. I'm still also bullish in this trade. So if it show some reaction or some price action which dominates the weaker side, then I will be looking for another sell. And I'm expecting a break in this low. If it breaks the low, then it's a longer term downtrend. That's what I'm expecting from euro. So that's the basic trade idea for the euro. I'm only looking for sells, not looking for any long positions right now in this trade. So coming to BTC, BTC I'm expecting BTC actually broke its 4-hour structure yesterday. This was my one 4-hour level which I was expecting it to break. It already broke it last night. So I'm expecting a reversal into this area which I have highlighted here, 1,04,640. If it comes to 1,04,000 around it, so after that I will be again looking for some bearish signals in this area if for it to continue down, and I'm expecting if it comes back up to around 1,04,640 somewhere here, then if this area holds, then I'm expecting a complete bearish trend in this one. And my all the way long short target should be around 73,000. From there, I will be looking for another long signal, like all the way up. Right now, on a short term trend, I will say I will recommend you for a sell position in Bitcoin, and on a longer side, I'm expecting a buy from around 70 to 73,000. Yeah, so that's the trade idea on BTC. So let's go on gold. Gold, you can see from my drawings already here. I was expecting a pullback into the zone after the yesterday news of the interest rate. So I was expecting a pullback into this zone around 264, but it didn't came all the way up. So now still continuing with the downturn. And with gold, I'm expecting it around 22530. It should reach definitely for it to continue. And by resistance side, I would say until and unless gold trades above 2651, I am still bearish on it. Once it crosses 2651, then I'll be looking for another buy to long gold. For now, if it trades right here, I'm expecting nothing. If it breaks up, price closes above this, then I will be expecting a reversal somewhere here or up. After that, I'm expecting another bull run from gold. So this is the basic trade idea for gold, because I want to keep things simple, not too complicated. Just marking the major levels in the market where there is a high momentum, high chances of reversal from the market. That's what I'm trying to do. So basic idea is we mark the higher time frames on. So as you can see, I am only marking on higher time frame side. So these all which highlighted which you can see are all marked on a higher time frame, like 4 hour, 1 hour, and daily. Another thing is once this.
So now, Maria can join you. Join you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just try to join is that's
भाई जा रहा है सही, जा रहा है सही नीचे.
890 total मेरा अकाउंट हो
अगर विड्रॉल होता है, विड्रॉल होता है,
ये ऑफिस में अकाउंट है
विड्रॉल ही कैसे देते हैं?
इसका ये करनी नहीं है इसमें हमें ये है कि मैक्सिमम जो हमें बोनस मिलेगा 250 का मिलेगा बट ऐसे नहीं पर $100 पे $10 so now
Streaming live, you know.
which one?
This video right now.
Can you maybe you shouldn't use this one because I think there's an OBS OBS isn't good. You can
There is mic.
yeah
Where is mic?
OBS is
Where is it?
no
Okay, that's mic.
yeah this camera is mine. They can receive your stuff.
Okay.
Very good. You can stop to use this one. Okay, let's try to stop to use this one.
Continue. Okay. क्यों करना है?
बोला असिस्टेंट
करना क्या है? किसको असिस्ट करना है?
खुद कंफ्यूज है
Can you hear my voice without mic? Okay. Let's jump back onto the charts. And as I was discussing about gold, so right now I am bearish on it. Once it crosses 2651, then I will be bullish. Simple as that. And if we come to Sol, okay, let's jump to BNB. With BNB, I am expecting it to come back around 707 and with a stop loss. Let me mark the entry. And stop loss of around 725 with the downtrend. Alright, I will, on a safer side, I will expect the low to be taken out. So once I'm expecting on a overall level PNB to reach around 626, 625 so that I can look for a long position in that. Dodge, I'm already saying Dodge is in downtrend, complete bearish right now because it has broke all its structures from 1 hour to 4 hour and all levels. Let me jump to 4 hour. Yeah, I will show you what's happening here right now because I was expecting this was the good support you say, or you can call it a demand. So around it broke that, like it closed 4 hour closed it and it's retracing back to this area. So from this area I'm expecting another drop once it reaches up. Once it comes back here, from here I'm expecting another downtrend. At least the lows get taken out, so I will be out of the trade. I will enter here and I will be out at around low. I'll just trail my stop losses back, trail my stop losses all the way to break even or to close some minute profits in that. So overall, I am still bearish on Dodge, and for if I want to long it, I will be waiting for around 0.22 or 20 level to long. ETC, I don't know if someone is trading ETC. Let's skip it. Or now, if you want to just trade for a scalp, you can look for a sell position in ETC around 2929.51 with a target of around 21. Stop loss will be quite wide in this, so not a favorable risk reward ratio, but still, if someone wants to take a scalp trade, you can try this one. Let's jump to Ethereum. Ethereum is right now at a very critical level for our support, you say, or demand, you say, because this is the level from where it made a new high in the market, or we can say equal highs. So once it breaks that, breaks around the level of 3524, then we can expect like this, I think, somewhat this. If it goes all the way back to down, then we will issue. If it stops here, comes back up, then we will look for a sell position. If it comes back, comes to all the way down to 2634, 2600, then I will be looking for a long positions in gold or for a long term, because that's the area from where it jumped up, spiked up. So short term sell for Ethereum after it breaks 354 to 3520, and long term positions for Ethereum from 2500. USD, ZY, GBP, and ZT. So let's, if I look at GBP and ZT, it's in retracement right now. It will jump up, jump back up. That's what I think for on a 4 hour, with a 4 hour view. This was the low. It broke structure here and gave a new high. So after a break of structure, we are expecting a retracement. So this is what I think this retracement is. Once it comes back to around 2.2 to this highlighted area, then I will look switch. If someone wants to trade this one, switch your charts to a lower time frame to get a precise entry into this with a tighter stop loss, because that's the critical area. If it breaks that to goes below that, then it's a complete change in trend. If it stays here, it holds its trade, then you can look for a buy, because I was expecting a reversal back to this supply area from where it broke the structure, but it never came back. So let's see, if it touches this, then we look for a bullish signal, some kind of stick pattern or a break of structure or change of character for to long it. Alright, then which pair we have? Fill. I gave an entry. No, it's too far away from the sell zone. This is the only sell zone which I am following in. I am bearish on fill. If it comes back here, then I will look for sell. If no, nothing, because this is not a good area to either buy or to sell, so just avoid it. ZEC is actually at a very critical area for sell. The market structure is bearish, as you can see here, bearish signs, and this is the nearest demand zone, which we are expecting 46. Expecting it to come back to 46, 45, and sells from this area around 53 all the way down to 46 with a stop loss just above here, 57.10 or 57.50, whichever you prefer as per your risk management. So this is it. This is we say from technical side, I have this to cover for today, and another topic we will be discussing about money management and risk management in our further lives. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll sure see you again. Have a good night, good day.